Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to solve some very important numerical problems from chapter 14 optics. Don't worry if you don't know the formulas. I will explain each step clearly so you can understand from the basics. So let's begin. Question number 1 is calculate the angle of refraction at the boundary of two media if angle of incidence is 37. In this question, light is moving from water into air, and we are given the angle of incidence, which is also mentioned by theta, which will be mentioned by theta 1, that is equal to 37. Refractive index of water is N1, which is 1.33, and that for uh, air is N2 1. We need to find the angle of refraction, which will be denoted by theta 2. We will use the Snell's law, which states that this is also known as law of refraction. It tells us how light bends when moving from one medium to another, and this law is N1 sin theta 1 is equal to n2 sin theta 2. We will put the values, given values, जैसे हमारे पास n1 की वैल्यू मौजूद है और थीटा 1 की वैल्यू मौजूद है, n2 की वैल्यू मौजूद है, और हम we don't have theta 2 and we have to find the theta 2. One sin 30 की वैल्यू हमारे पास क्या आएगी 0.6018 and sin and we will multiply the value, we will get 0.800, ठीक है 4. Okay, now this is equal to sin theta 2. Theta 2 will be equal to, हम sin को reverse ले जाएंगे, sin inverse 0.8004, and we will get the values from the calculator, which will be 53 angle. So angle of refraction is 53 degrees. Question number 2. Calculate the speed of light in a medium if its refractive index is 1.7. Here we are asked to find how fast light travels inside a medium. Remember, light is fastest in vacuum, where its speed is speed is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. In any medium, the speed decreases. So we have refractive index 1.7, speed of light in vacuum, okay, and we will use the formula V is equal to speed of light divided by refractive index. We have both values, so we will find the speed by putting the value of speed of light in vacuum divided by refractive index. We will get 1.7646 into 10 power 8 meter per second. We will round off the significant figures and we'll get 1.76 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So speed of light in this medium is approximately 1.76 into 10 power 8 meter per second. A light ray moving through a medium of refractive index 1.6 enters at an angle of incidence 21 degree into another medium of refractive index 1.7. Calculate the angle of refraction. Here a light ray moves from medium of refractive index 1.6 into another medium of refractive index 1.7. The angle of incidence is 21 degree. We have to find the angle of refraction. Again, we will use Snell's law like before. We will put the values. We have value for n1, n2, and theta 1. We will get sin theta 2 is equal to 0.33732 by taking a sign in other side. It will be sin inverse. We will find by using calculator. So the angle of refraction is 19.71 degrees. Okay, Assess the value of the critical angle if light travels from a medium of refractive index 1.63 into a medium of refractive index 1.35. Critical angle means the minimum angle of incidence at which the minimum angle at which light just grazes along the boundary and does not enter the other medium. Here light is moving from a medium with refractive index 1.63 to another medium which has refractive index 1.35. Okay, the formula we will use is critical angle. ठीक है, साइन क्रिटिकल एंगल इज इक्वल टू रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स नंबर 2 डिवाइडेड बाय रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स नंबर 1. ठीक है, अगेन हम वैल्यूज पुट करेंगे एंड वी विल गेट क्रिटिकल साइन थीटा c because this is the angle of critical. So again हम वापस रिवर्स उसको दूसरी साइड पे लेके जाएंगे, इन्वर्स करेंगे साइन को and we will get the value which is the critical angle is 55.9 degrees. Question number 5, which is last question. Measure the distance and height of an image of an object with height 3 cm and distance 5 cm respectively from lens having magnification 3. Now we have an object of height 3 cm, place 5 cm from a lens. The magnification is given as 3. We need to find the image distance and image height. Formula of magnification we have m is equal to h image, ठीक है, height of image divided by height of the object, ठीक है, which is equal to minus q divided by p. By finding the image height, हम मैग्निफिकेशन की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे 3 और उसके height of object की वैल्यू भी पुट करेंगे 3. we will get height of image which will be 9 cm. ठीक है, then हम next step में क्या करेंगे, we will find the image distance by putting the values in initial formula. Magnification 3 is equal to q माइनस, मतलब माइनस में वैल्यू करनी है ना, q डिवाइडेड बाई 5. ठीक है, q will be equal to minus 15 cm. Negative sign shows the image is virtual and on the same side of the lens, but distance is taken as absolute. So the image distance is 15 cm and the height is 9 cm. So that's all for today. We have solved numerical questions which are based on refraction, speed of light in medium, angle of refraction between two media, critical angle and lens magnification. If you carefully follow each step, you will find these numericals very easy, inshallah. If you get any concept from this video, then like it, comment down, share with your friends and subscribe to this channel. Till next chapter, Allah Hafiz.